Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products.
Today, we have something special for all the educators out there, especially those looking to revolutionize their classroom experience. Get ready to dive into the world of the best clear sleeves for classrooms available on the market. Introducing the SUNEE 30 Packs Oversized Reusable Dry Erase Pocket Sleeves with 2 rings. These versatile and vibrant sleeves are not your average classroom accessory. They're a game changer.
Let's break down why these sleeves are a must-have for any classroom setting. First off, they're oversized for easy insertion of paper. No more struggling with standard-sized sleeves.
These can handle letter-sized or 9 by 12 worksheets effortlessly.
But what about durability? We all know classrooms can be a battlefield. Fear not.
The heavy-duty cloth binding ensures these sleeves can withstand the wear and tear of even the most energetic students, lasting you for the entire school year and beyond.
Now, let's talk about functionality.
These sleeves aren't just for protecting worksheets.
They're dry erasable, meaning you can reuse them over and over again.
Think of the ink and paper you'll save, not to mention the precious time spent on printing.
And check this out.
Each sleeve comes with a pen loop at the top and a middle hole for easy hanging.
It's perfect for displaying artwork, worksheets, or small samples.
Talk about convenience.
And did I mention the variety?
With 10 assorted colors in each pack, you can color code your lessons or add a pop of brightness to your classroom decor.
Who said learning had to be dull? In conclusion, the SUNEE Oversized Reusable Dry Erase Pocket Sleeves are a game-changer for any classroom.
They're durable, versatile, and environmentally friendly.
Plus, with 30 packs in each set, you'll have plenty to go around.
That wraps up our review of the best clear sleeves for classrooms. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to get your hands on these fantastic sleeves. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, signing off.